And today's challenge is to figure out why this Kawasaki Mule 3000 is not shifting correctly. It was, you could adjust it. Sometimes it would give you drive, sometimes it would give you reverse, sometimes it would give you both, but then 3 shifts later it wouldn't. I went back to the back under the bed, checked the linkages, everything looked tight, looked okay, so I figured the problem had to be up here. And sure enough, let me get a little light on it. If you look at that linkage there, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see it's moving. There's a crack all the way across there. You can see the 2 parts moving apart. That is why it's not working, folks. Now, I'm looking at this, and I think there's a few ways to go about it. One would be to take the whole dash off so I can get to the screws that they ever so cleverly approach from the front side, and take this whole thing off and get it out and probably get better access. Or I'm thinking I might be able to actually get in there and weld. If I can clean it up enough right there, I can probably weld it. And the other thing is I can put some pressure on it to kind of squeeze it back into the position it needs to be in, or fairly close to it. Yeah, I think I can probably make that work. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, we use a Dremel to try to knock off the paint. Okay, it's pretty cleaned up, I think enough to work. Okay, I didn't have a good ground on the actual piece of metal, so I've actually transferred the ground clamp to the shift knob to make a more direct connection, so let's try that again.
Whoa.
Alright, getting a blob built up. That looks actually pretty strong. I'm going to go ahead and try to hit it from the front now and fill in below. Alright, again, I don't pretend to be anybody's idea of a welder, but that just doesn't look too bad. Nice heavy blob across the crack top and bottom. Okay, let's see if we did any good. There's forward. Wow, beautiful. Before it was really hard to shift and would seldom go into gear and stay there, so now it's smooth as silk. Good fix.